I'm Christina, and let me ask you a question. Are you ready to make drinks that look just like these? Well, then I am thrilled to tell you about my ebook, 10 Classic Cocktails Under 200 Calories. So yes, it's self-explanatory. You're gonna make 10 delicious drinks, but what else are you going to learn? Well, you see these? Do you know what this is? How about this? Or this, or this, or this, or this? Well, in my book, you're gonna learn the names to each of these bar tools, and you're gonna learn the proper use for each one. Not only that, but you're gonna learn the techniques that are absolutely necessary in making fantastic cocktails, like shaking, stirring, straining, muddling, double straining, and so much more. You're also going to learn how to make the top 3 syrups that are absolutely necessary to make delicious drinks, like simple syrup, honey syrup, and agave syrup, all from scratch. So no need to buy that junk at the grocery store. And last but not least, my personal favorite, you're going to get a detailed calorie counting chart that has every single ingredient from 1/4 ounce all the way up to 2 ounces. So not only are you going to be able to make drinks like these, but you can use this chart as a reference tool to make drinks of your very own for your friends and family. So what are you waiting for? Do yourself a favor and put those preconceived notions about cocktails behind you. Ditch the pretentiousness, the idea that it's overly complicated, and realize that you too can make delicious cocktails, and it is extremely fun and easy. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy my ebook, and thanks again.